Spring 2025 Question 3. This sits in Category 5, Joint Life and Dependence, difficulty rung 1 on the prior exam ladder. Recognition Q. Joint status for state Markov or dependence/lambda theory. STEM focus. 20-year last survivor endowment. Independent lives. Net premium. Own the recognition queue and map before grinding algebra. Use the official exam PDF and model solution for full numeric work. Attack with the Category 5 checklist. Step 1. Decide independence versus dependence. Step 2. Markov. Label 0 to 3. Call Magarov for needed P·ij. Step 3. Benefit EPV on correct status. Step 4. Equivalence premium. Watch paying status. After this sitting, climb higher rungs in Category 5 before switching families. Watch the matching strategy video for subtypes and grounded next variants. Audience setting is not made for kids' adult exam prep. Use the official sitting PDF and model solution for the full numeric walkthrough. Then climb the next rung in this category.